Hi everyone, so I have in one hand Huawei E8372 Wingle, 4G Wingle which is LTE Cat 4, and in another hand I have this external antenna 35 decibels, and I'm gonna see if it helps my dongle to work actually better, if it lowers the ping or if it makes my connection speed higher, like higher download speed or higher upload speed. I think it's gonna help a little bit because this router is actually too small. I don't know how good is the internal antenna, that's why I did buy this external antenna. But before you buy this external antenna, I'm gonna test it for you so you can understand if it's worth it. And actually at first I need to find the best location for the antenna to see where can I get the most signal of it. So if you are set, let's get into it. Alright, right now my PC is connected to this dongle but without antenna, and as you can see, normally I have 4 bars in connection, not 5, it's only 4 bars. And now I'm gonna connect the antenna to the router to see how many bars I will get and where should I put it to get the most signal. So how you can make sure that it's connected, if I take down the antenna and put it somewhere else, you can see I have 3 bars now when I bring it under my desk, and when I bring it up it changed. Actually I did find the best location, which is here, 4 bars, almost the same as what I had before, but I wanna see if it improves anything. Right now this is the best place that I found at the top of my speakers, and I'm gonna test some tests in a speed test. Alright, so I brought up a speed test to see what's different, and I'm gonna test it first. Alright, I'm gonna test on the same server so you can make sure that anything that we see, it's not depending on the server. So first let's go and see how is the connection with this antenna with 4 bars. Ping almost 138. Of course I'm connected to I'm connected to Stockholm right now and it's far away from me. Let's see just how much speed we will get from this. The speed is actually more important. I'm getting about 16 megabits per second download and around 9 to 10 megabits upload. Alright, but if I test it again, let's test it again. I'm gonna also change the position of the antenna. I have 3 locations and I know where the servers are exactly. The servers are right in the front of the antenna. So alright, this position actually is a little bit better, or I can say much better. So it's not only about having 4 bars or 5 bars, it's about the signal. You need to test it. Maybe you have 4 bars under the desk, on the desk, next to the router, next to the dongle, but it's important to test it in a different place as well. Alright, now it's time to test the dongle without antenna. I'm gonna test from the same server. My ping is 79. It's actually much lower than when I was using this 35 decibels antenna. It did make my ping worse, and also download, as I can see, it's more than 50. But it's the first test, let's see how it will work. My upload speed is almost the same. No, it's actually higher. My upload speed was about 3 to 12 and without antenna it's about 20. Alright, I'm gonna make 2 more tests like we did here to make sure that we are not doing any mistakes. So as you can see, I have 54 megabits per second and my upload is around 20 to 30 actually. Right now I can see 30 megabits per second to Stockholm server. Let's have a look at the results. And as you can see, we had speed about 16, 19, 28 and 35 at burst with the antenna. And without the antenna, we had the speed 52, 52, 51, 54. Our ping about 80 to 90, and with the antenna about 140 to 150. And our Actually upload speed is double, actually about 30, and we had 10 to 12 here. And I'm a streamer gamer, you know, upload speed is really important for me. Ping is really important. I need ping under 100 to Europe servers. So what I can say at the end, this antenna and other models as well, I'm sure that you saw many models. It's not a cheap model, it's about $60. If you want to buy $60 antenna, I recommend you to keep that money and spend your money on buying better equipment for your internet or changing your ISP or something like that. As you saw here, I can say actually it did make my internet even worse. So I don't know, you can test, maybe in your location it do a better job, but in my location without antenna I already have a very good internet. Thank you so much for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and if you are curious about network stuff, don't forget to subscribe. And you can also check this video that I did test 1 gigabit speed per second for PS4 downloading a game 40 GB in 10 minutes. Thank you so much, see you next time.